Hello dear students. So from your chapter linear equation in one variable we have finished first exercise 3.2. Now exercise we have finished first exercise 3.1. Now exercise 3.2. So in exercise 3.2 all the questions are statement problems for which we have to convert it into linear equation in one variable. Okay. The question here is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, okay, and multiply the result by 1 by 2, multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. Look at here, students. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, the number is not given here, so let the number be x. Okay. If you subtract 1 by 2 from the number, subtract 1 by 2 from number, so that is x minus 1 by 2, and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Who is the result here? This is the result. Multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiply result by 1 by 2. So that implies you get 1 by 8. That is 1 by 2 is multiplied with the result, that is x minus 1 by 2. You get 1 by 8 is equals to 1 by 8. You get, in the sense, the final result. What is the number? Means we have to find that x. What is the number? So dear students, so here 1 by 2 is a multiplication with x minus 1 by 2, right? If you send this 2 onto the RHS, it becomes multiplication. So x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 8 into 2. So multiplication, right? If there is nothing in the denominator, we can take 1. Now 2 1s are 2 4s are. X minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 1s are 1 divided by, after cancelling, what we have here? 4. 4 1s are 4. So now x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 4. If you send minus 1 by 2 on RHS, x is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Can we add this directly? No, we have to take the LCM. What is the LCM of these two? 4 comma 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So 2 into 2 is equals to 4. The LCM is 4. So 4 1s are 4, and 2 how much is 4? 2 2s are 4. That is from denominators. Now numerator should be multiplied with that factor. 1 1s are 1 plus 1 2s are 2. So therefore x is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. Okay. I will repeat once again. Listen. If a number if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, let the number be x and 1 by 2 is subtracted, and multiply the result by 1 by 2, multiplying the result by 1 by 2. You can write this 1 by 2 here or you can write here, both is same. Okay, you get 1 by 8, you get 1 by 8. Now dear students, 1 by 2 can be sent to RHS, so it becomes x minus 1 by 2 is equals to, from denominator if it goes to RHS, it's become numerator and multiplication. Because it is in multiplication, it goes to RHS, it interchanges, right? So 2 1s are 2 4s are. This implies x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 1s are 1, 4 1s are 4. So this implies x is equals to 1 by 4. If you send minus 1 by 2 RHS, it becomes plus 1 by 2. Because it is in multiplication, it is in subtraction, it goes to RHS, it becomes addition. X is equals to, you have to take the LCM of this. What is the LCM? 4 is the LCM. 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, which is equals to 3 by 4. Got it? Next, second question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Dear students, what is perimeter? Rectangular perimeter. What is perimeter? If this is length and this is breadth, the perimeter is L plus B plus L plus B, right? Adding all the outsides. So L plus L is 2L, B plus B is 2B, taking common 2 outside, L plus B. Okay. So the perimeter of a rectangular, what is the second question? The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. What is given? Perimeter of rectangle pool is equals to 154 meters. So that is 2 of L plus B, length plus breadth is equals to 154 meters. Next, continuation to the question. If length is 2 meters more, then twice its breadth. If length L is 2 meters more, then whom? Then twice its BREADTH breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? What is the length and breadth of the pool? So L is 2 more. L is how much? L is more in the sense addition, 2 more, then twice its breadth. Twice its breadth. Twice in the sense multiplication by 2. Twice means 2 times multiplication with breadth. So here what is given? L is equals to 2 into B plus 2. So substituting the value of length in the above equation, substituting the value of length in above equation, what we have, 2 of, instead of L we'll be writing 2b plus 2 plus what we have after L plus b is equals to 154. So now 2 of 2b plus b is 3b. Can we add this 2 to 3b? No, it is an unlike term because it don't have b, so it is cannot be added with b's, is equals to 154. Now, so bracket in the sense multiplication, right? 2 3 is a 6b plus 2 2 is a 4 is equals to 154. So this implies 6b is equals to 154. If you send this plus 4 to RHS, it becomes minus 4. 6b is equals to 150. So now b is equals to 150 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6 2s are 12, right? What is left? 3. It becomes 30 now. 6 5s are 30. So b is equals to 25. b is equals to 25. What is the length and the breadth? We got b is equals to 25. Now let us find the length. L is equals to, what is L? L is equals to 2b plus 2. L is equals to 2 into b plus 2. So L is equals to 2 into b. What is the value of b? 25 plus 2. L is equals to 2 into 25 is 50 plus 2. L is equals to 52. So therefore length is equals to 52, comma breadth is equals to 25. Breadth is equals to 25. Third question. The third question is the base of an isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? This is a triangle A, B, C. What is isosceles triangle? If two sides are equal, it can be any two sides. It can be A is equals to C, or it can be A is equals to B, or it can be B is equals to C. If any two sides are equal, then it is called as isosceles triangle. Okay. The base of an isosceles triangle. Here base is given, so let us take A and B are equal and C is equals to 4 by 3 centimeter, because in the question it is given that the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter and the perimeter of a triangle is 4 2 by 15. It is in mixed fraction. Find the length of either the remaining equal sides. So first, given A is equals to B, A is equals to B, and C is equals to 4 by 3 centimeter, and perimeter is given. What is perimeter? perimeter is equals sum of all the sides, a plus b plus c. So how much perimeter is given? Perimeter is equals to 4 2 by 15. So therefore we can take it as a plus b plus c is equals to 4 2 by 15. Convert this mixed fraction into fraction. 15 fours are 60, 60, 15 fours are 60. 60 plus 2 is 62. A plus b plus c is equals to 62 by 15. So dear students, we know that A is equals to B because it is a isosceles triangle and C is 4 by 3. So A is equals to B. Instead of B, we will be taking A itself, plus the value of C is how much? Value of C is 4 by 3. So plus 4 by 3 is equals to 62 by 15. A plus A, 2A, right, is equals to 62 by 15. If you send this plus 4 by 3 on RHS, it becomes minus 4 by 3. 2A is equals to, can we subtract this directly? No, we have to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 comma 15? 3 ones are 3 5s are 5 ones are. So multiplying 3 into 5, you get 15. So LCM is 15. So 15 how much are? 15 ones are 15 and 3 5s are 15. Right, from denominators we have to check. Now 62 ones are 62 minus 4 5s are 20. So 2A is equals to 62 minus 20 is 42 divided by 15. So dear students, we got 2A is equals to 42 divided by 15. Now what is the value of A? A is equals to 42 divided by 15. From multiplication, from LHS it goes to RHS, it becomes division. Multiplication in the denominator, but division for the numerator. So 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are. A is equals to 21 by 15. This is the value of the sides. So listen the video again and again, understand it and write in the notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.